In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to train ChatGPT to think like a researcher. Start by opening chatgpt.com and signing in. Once you're in, create a fresh conversation so you're starting with a clean slate. If you have access to different model options, pick the one best suited to longer, thoughtful responses. A stable internet connection helps, especially for extended outputs you might request. Next, tell the model exactly who it is. Give it a clear, specific persona so it can adopt the mindset you need. For example, you might say, "You are a meticulous research methodologist who values rigor, transparency, and clear reasoning. You evaluate claims using evidence, explain your assumptions, and flag uncertainties. You can also set boundaries. Focus on peer-reviewed scholarship from the last decade, define key terms before using them, and avoid speculation unless asked. The more precise your persona, the more consistently the model will respond like a researcher rather than a casual explainer. To avoid repeating yourself in every chat, use custom instructions. In your settings, add preferences that persist across conversations, such as your goals, audience, and desired depth. You might specify that you prefer concise abstracts first, followed by structured analysis, and that you want the model to surface alternative explanations and possible confounders. You can also note citation styles you prefer. Keep these instructions high level and avoid including any private or sensitive information. Now, actively enforce critical analysis. Ask the model to identify gaps in arguments, propose counterarguments, and evaluate competing theories or models. Request that it explains why a source seems reliable, where uncertainties remain, and what evidence would change a conclusion. Invite it to compare methodologies, highlight limitations, and discuss external validity. You can prompt it to rate confidence and justify that rating. This keeps the conversation grounded in reasoning rather than conclusions alone. Finally, refine iteratively. If an answer is too broad, ask it to tighten the scope. If it is too confident, tell it to enumerate assumptions and quantify uncertainty. If the structure is messy, request a clear hierarchy with headings, definitions up front, and a summary of takeaways at the end. Offer constructive feedback like emphasize methodological trade-offs or reduce jargon and clarify terms in plain language. When needed, ask for alternative framings, side-by-side comparisons, or a brief to lengthy version. Save strong prompts and personas for reuse so you build a consistent research workflow over time. With these practices, you'll turn ChatGPT into a careful, transparent research partner that reasons, tests, and improves with your guidance.